नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई चैंपियन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session we are going to discuss about the business insurance and types of business insurance. And in this subject our topic. So let's start the topic. What is the business insurance? The business insurance coverage and protect businesses from losses and due to events that may occur and during the normal course of businesses. There are many types of insurance for business and including coverage for properties damage, legal liabilities and employees related risk. The companies evaluated their insurance and needs based on potential risk and which can vary depending on the types of environment in this the companies operates. Now let's discuss types of business insurance. Several types of the business insurance and those small business owners and might consider and including the following. The professional liability insurance. Professional liability insurance insure agents and negligence and claims that results from mistake or failure to perform. There is no one size fits all professional liability coverage, and each industry has its own unique concerns that should be addressed. Now, property and insurance and property insurance uncovers equipments and science industry and furnitures in the events of a fair and storm or storm of death, and however it doesn't cover mass and distractions events like foods and earth quakes. If your area is at risk of these issues, and you will need a separate policy. And other expectations is personal propriety that is very high value and expensive, and this is the usually covered by purchasing and additions to the policy called a rider, and if their claims the property insurance policy will either and remembers the policy holders for the actual values of the damage or the replacement cost to fix the problem. And home-based business, however, and policy don't covers and home-based business like commercial property, and insurance covers businesses. And if you are operating a home business based business, and inquiry about additional coverage for equipment and inventory. Next, product liability insurance. If your business manufactures and products to sell, and product liability insurance is very important any businesses and can find itself named in a lawsuit and due to damage caused by its products. And product liability insurance protects a business in such cases. And workers insurance. Any vehicles used for business and should be fully insured. At the very least, and business should insure an agent's third party injury. But comprehensive and automobiles insurance will cover the vehicles in an incident as well. If employees are using their own cars for businesses and their own personal insurance and will cover them in the event of an accident. And one major expectations is if a person is delivering goods or services for fee and including delivery persons. None. And business interruptions insurance. Business interruption insurance policies are types of insurance that is especially and applicable to companies that requires a physical locations to do business, such as retail stores or manufacturing facilities. And business interruptions insurance compensates business and for its lost and income during events that cause disruptions to the normal causes of business. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.